Install MySQL 5.5 on Ubuntu 10.04.
Unless you have some specific problems with your environment or installation procedure, it follows the normal pattern. You should obtain the generic binary .tar.gs package from MySQL's download page, then follow the binary installation instructions.
I use the following guide to install 5.5 on Ubuntu 10.04, this URL. Everything worked perfectly except one of the final steps, launching MySQL. Was giving me the following message and then shutting down. After some Googling, I found the solution to be adding the following flag. To launch it and have it actually work, I use the following command. MySQL 5.5 has some great new features that solve the partitioning issue for me, partitioning via a varchar. Good luck!
Users with local Apache plus PHP 5 plus MySQL or similar combination with MySQL in it would likely need to recompile MySQL dependent packages, PHP 5 MySQL, so it uses libmysql client 18 provided by MySQL Server 5.5. Using libmysql client 16 linked packages with MySQL 5.5 installation might appear to be working initially, but would tend to crash randomly.
Simple instructions for installation of MySQL 5.5 on Linux are documented here along with other libraries that are required. This URL.
How